how to remove default clothes on Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the default clothes of your avatar on Roblox Mobile. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox and then head over into the avatar tab. In here, go ahead and head over into the customize tab. And then once you're on the customize tab, go ahead and head over into the clothing tab. So in here, you need to go ahead and uncheck that specific clothing that you want to remove for your avatar. So once you click on this check button, you'll be able to remove that specific clothing. So you can change that into another clothing that you have in here available, and you can add other more clothing that you want to incorporate with your look. So you can add your bottoms, left shoes, right shoes, classic shorts, classic t-shirts. You can also buy new items on the marketplace by clicking on the marketplace tab, and that is how you can basically remove default clothes on Roblox Mobile.